need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. To never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers. Pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasadilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko, tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet?
Hi, Coach Miranda Miner. We talked a few times now before, but I didn't get to formally introduce myself back. So I'm good. I'm an airline pilot, and I'm Elite University graduate. Beginner's class batch 21 and intermediate class batch 18. I'm also a former mentee of my high school classmate and barkada, si Mentor Luke. I want to take this opportunity lang to thank you, not only for teaching us a very safe and effective trading system, not only sa mga fundamental and technical analysis every night during live sessions, not only sa anatomy of this and for creation ng intermediate class, but most importantly, I want to thank you Coach for teaching us good trading psychology na pwede rin i-apply in real life scenarios. Thank you always Coach for going the extra mile to help others, and sana huwag ka magsasawang tumulong sa ayun lang. I love you 3,000 Coach, and shout out ko na rin yung buong Miranda community. I love you 3,000x Miranda, and magmahalan lang tayo at maging possible.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Pag nag-e-exam ako, yun makikita ko. Yun lagi nakikita ko. Tapos parang ano yan way of, winawalcome mo yung positive energy and ina-achieve ko, di ba? Pero,
Simple lang dahil bukod sa pagiging profitable at proven and effective ang Miranda Miner trading system, napakarami mong pwedeng matutunan kay Coach Miranda Miner na hindi mo matutunan sa ibang mga mentor.
Ako po kasi talagang ang hinahanap-hanap ko yung one-on-one coaching. Gusto ko po kasi magkaroon ng personal relationship sa coach or mentor ko. Matanong kasi ako. Kaya perfect po talaga para sa akin ang mentoring class.
Mapapolish mo talaga yung skills mo as a trader at kung anong types of trader ka. Para dun sa mga taong nagdadalawang isip o natatakot na subukan yung crypto trading or alamin yung crypto trading, nahan dito ang Global Miranda Mining System para i-provide sa inyo ang mga necessary data in a way na mas madali nyo siyang maiintindihan.
Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons.
Daily affirmation and commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako? Manghuhula analysis. I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader and I have a millionaire mindset. Miranda, good news. We're actually live as well in Spotify. If you're a Spotify fanatic, please follow us there and listen to our audio podcasts. We're actually coming from a name of Global Miranda Miner Group. Nako, napaka-paborito ko talaga yung mga magagandang audio dyan tulad ng The Power of Yet, The Millionaire Mindset, How Did I Get My First Million, How to Avoid Liquidations at marami pang iba. O ano pang hinihintay nyo? See you in our Spotify channel and maraming salamat ka Miranda. Thank you! right. Hello, 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 hello. How are you today? Kamusta ka, Miranda?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got
Hello, 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 hello.
shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood and circulation.
Isang magandang gabi.
One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have
Kumain na ba kayo ng dinner? Ako hindi pa.
some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Wake up, wake up, wake up, Miranda.
day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Lloydie for being here.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
Handa na bang manalo ang mga inaanak natin ng 1,000 piso?
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Life ain't easy,
Hoy, nakakagutom yung adobong itik ah.
I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every
Yung iba kumain na ba? Nagkape na ba? Nagkape na?
different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times
Hoy, Michelle, favorite na kita. Thank you ha.
I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative
Parang hindi daw pagod today.
thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full
Gusto ko yung inuuto nyo ako eh ha.
of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can
Sabayan nyo ako. Let's all wake up.
swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are
I'm gonna fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts.
overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day. Time check. It's 9 o'clock ng gabi.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be
Shout out Jeff's Store.
a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Sarap ng ulam ni Coach siguro.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun.
Sa boses pa lang, wow.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
All right. Okay, hello. Isang magandang lalaki po tayo. Uy, kamusta ka na, Miranda? Kumain ka na? Kailangan konti namang tawa tayo. Baka naman sobrang stress na kayo, ha? Let's all make this a happy Tuesday kahit alam naman natin TP Tuesday na, Take Profit Tuesday, ha? Ay, nako. Nakita ko yung pre-market ang mumula. Grabe. Namumula ang merkado today, ang pre-market natin. Namumula sobra. Anyways, merong may nagsabi, in love ka ba ngayon, Coach? Sobrang gwapo mo ngayon. Oh. Wow. Sana chicks yan, ha? Ay, thank you sa lahat ng kayo talaga. Mali mo naman in love talaga ako. Yeah, mali mo naman in love tayo, Miranda, no? Oy, nako. Anyways, DJ Coach, request song po. Boom. Ikaw talaga, Kenneth, oh. Meron ako ganitong song, ganito lang, konti. And part ng V8 natin. Anyways, let's all welcome today. It's August 2. No, it's August 2, officially August 2 in Manila time. At isang napakagandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. We're all here again to talk about cryptocurrency at mga bagay na nagpapaapekto kung bakit nga ba namumula ang merkado. Namumula ang merkado kasi nga, nako, walang volume ka, Miranda, grabe. Kanina pa ako naghihintay ng volume. I cannot see volume, no? I cannot see that volume na meron tayo last week. Hayaan mong hanapin natin yan. What's actually driving this market in the next couple of days. Tapos, nako, meron akong sasabihin sa'yo, no? Today, kailangan magtago ka na ng malaking pera. Please. Because nalalapit na ang isang malaking balita on August 10. Ano bang mangyayari dyan, Coach? No, we're gonna be talking about that. Of course, binabati ko lang ang ating bagong kaibigan, si Eliza Valdez. Alam mo, napakabuting bata niya. Ang haba ng usapan namin kanina. Hindi ko nasasabihin dito because it's not meant for this audience. Pero, naku, God bless you, anak. No? Ang lakas sumaka-anak na yun talaga, no? Parang younger sister ko na tong batang ito. Grabe, napakatalino. And thank you for that good chat kanina. Ang haba ng usapan namin, sobra, no? And nag-enjoy kami na nag-uusap kanina. Thank you again and enjoy your game. Good luck on your game and sana matalo nyo ang mga taga-international team. Alright, of course, binabati ko rin mga pamilya ko dyan in Cavite na nakikinig today. And of course, yung aking anak dyan sa Pasig. Salamat anak. And good evening to all of you, Miranda. Isang magandang gabi. Our topic for today is about sino ba ang nagpapahirap sa mundo? Bakit ba ang tagal mag-rally ka? No, isang linggo. Monday ko pa iniintay. Ano bang, ba't ang tagal, Miranda Miner? Ano ba? Akala ko ba sa, bull run this week? Ay, napakatagal. Ano ba yan? Ano ba nangyayari? Ba't dito 25K? Pag-usapan natin today. Mabilis lang ang ating program today. Yung katang ibor. Pero huy, magantay ka na maya-maya. Meron tayong 1,000 pesos raffle. Hoy, mga dumadami yung listener. Baka naman sana hindi lang kayo sa raffle, ha? Sana marami rin kayong gustong pakinggan today bukod sa raffle, ha? Manakikinig kayo ng FANTA. Alright, of course, our program is brought to us by...
This program is brought to you by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next crypto gem and where trading is made easy.
Ayun, as usual, thank you BingX for the sponsorship. Huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa, mag-download na kayo ng BingX. Gamitin nyo ang aking referral link para maka-join kayo sa mga raffle natin tulad maya-maya. Ayun, thank you po. Alright, let's all do this, Miranda. Let's now do this. We're gonna be talking about Bitcoin. Ano ba nakaka-apekto dyan? Discuss natin. May mga rumor ako sa inyo. Ayokong sabihing marites eh. Pero may mga nasagap tayong mga mainit-init na balita, ha? Ang mga balita ngayon ay nakaka-apekto po sa Bitcoin market. Ano ba ito, Coach? Ano ba? Pag-usapan yung mga mainit-init na balita ngayon, naku, naman, di ba? Oo. Talagang parang meron na tayong Bitcoin showbiz. Huwag na nating patagalin. Let's now go and dive into the news for today. Of course, guys, gusto manalo. Teka lang manalo ka na ng 5,000 pesos paka-birthday mo na this August. Ay, naku naman. Mag-join na kayo sa aming contest because ira-raffle na natin in the next 4 days. 8 ang mananalo ng 5,000 pesos. The more, the merrier. Alam mo nang gagawin dyan. Mag-download ka na niyan. Ako, 5,000 pesos isa yan, ha. Alright, let's now go to the Bitcoin showbiz. Ano ba nangyayari, Coach? Ito na. Bilisan na natin, no? Nako, mainit-init na balita today. Unang-una, Pag kulay pula yung nakita nyo, ibig sabihin potential driver ng pagbagsak ng market, ha? Tatandaan nyo pag pula. Pag nakakita kayo ng green, potential na itong cover ng row ng sell na yan. Pag yan ay pula, it's a detractor or it's a bear driver. Pag green na nakita nyo, it is a bull driver. Pag yellow, neutral. Okay, neutral ha. Ulitin ko, pag red, ito ay bear driver. Pag green, it's a bull driver. Pag yellow, it's a neutral driver. Okay? Alright. Let's now do this. Ito na ang unang-unang chismis or marites or rumor natin. Hello, Miss Pelosi. Ano po ang ginagawa nyo sa Taiwan, ha? Ang unang balita natin, si Speaker of the House, US Nancy Pelosi is in Taiwan. May plano. Well, not in Taiwan, but may plano. Dinideny nila yan. Ang problema rito, Miranda, naku, wag naman po sana, manalangin po tayo. Ha? Manalangin po tayo, wag pong magsimula ito dahil selos na po yung kanilang Nihauma country sa tuktok ng Taiwan because of this visit. Wag lang po sana gumamit ng kulay gray na barko. Naku po, wag naman po sana. Alam nyo ba, in the law of the seas, especially if you are into military, ang ginagamit lagi, mapapansin nyo to, no? Pag di nyo to alam, now you know. Okay? And type number 1 kung aha moment sa inyo to. Alam nyo ba, if you're doing the international waters, bawal kang gumamit ng gray na barko. Ang Coast Guard, kulay puti ang barko niyan. And that means you don't mean to use your military to guard your waters. Even in China, they're not using their gray boats. If you notice to the news, wala kayong makikitang kulay gray na barko in our reef. Pinagtatalunan. Ha? Pinagtatalunan. Kapag gumamit ka na ng gray, that means it's your military vessel. And that's a big, big no-no. Buti nga, puro puti pa lang ginagamit natin ngayon eh. Na wag naman sana magkaroon ng gray na barko. Anyways, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ang daming nagko-comment. Nagagawa nyo dyan? Anong plano mo? Ba? Nako. Wag naman. This is a very, very big. Wag naman po sana because this can be a Ukraine, Russia the second. Wag naman po sana. Manalangin po tayo na wag po itong magbadyano because napakalapit po ng Taiwan. Ha? Napakalapit po ng Taiwan sa Pilipinas. Ano pinagagawa mo dyan, Nancy? Ang plano mo dyan, dami yung problema sa US, ayusin nyo doon. Seryoso. Hindi ko maintindihan. What is the plan? Yung amo mo, si Biden, galing sa UAE, naghahanap ng kausap yung prinsipe. Di ba? Honestly, I don't see any reason. Kaya nag-aalburuto yung nasa taas eh. That's a potential political dilemma. Tatandaan niyo yan ha. And that is the plan on the next couple of days. Ano pa yung pula? Another red is, ito na. Alam mo, napipikon na ako dito ah. Ilang beses ko na sinasabi to eh. Hindi lang po tayo, no? Yellen, Powell, and Biden not agreeing to recession. Let's all listen to this quick video that I prepared for all of you guys today. Okay, let's all listen to this video.
A lot of talk of recession.
One more.
A 1/10 of 1% from New York City. This is Bloomberg.
So thank you, Bloomberg. Let's give the credit to them for this video. Antayin po natin. Let's all listen to this quick video.
We heard a lot of talk of recession, but we haven't seen any indication in the results.
We shouldn't obsess over whether there's a recession. We should be thinking about, as investors, what the depth of it might be.
I think the Fed really has no choice. They have to continue to tighten.
I feel like they induced this rally.
We think the Fed declares victory a little earlier. Remember, Paul Volcker did too.
This is... Okay, let's all listen. Another video, Miranda.
Right now, inflation's job number one.
Data is coming a little bit softer, but I don't think Fed is pivoting here. I don't think the market is pivoting.
Investors should recognize that there's been a lot of ups and downs in the economy in this quite fast-moving cycle.
We have to remember that the market already priced in a lot of damage.
A recession is still the most likely outcome here, and I think it's too early to be calling a bottom in equities.
This is Bloomberg Surveillance with...
Okay, thank you again, Bloomberg, for that. I will like to quote you for copyright. I would like to acknowledge Bloomberg for that video. So, nakikita ninyo na ang daming perspektibo in the market today. Napakaraming perspective, no? Yung mga keywords na narinig natin, sabi nila, Fed is pivoting. Market is priced in. Let's not think of recession. Ano bang nangyayari, di ba? Again, hindi ko maintindihan, no? Bakit? Bakit ayaw niyong sabihin recession? Pinagtatanggol nila. Napipikon. Hindi sa inyo, sa politika, pinipoliticized eh. At bakit ako ganito? Let me prove to you, hindi po tayo emotional ha. Because I am coming from a data perspective, Miranda. We're not emotional. Let me prove to you, these types of pronouncements are very important. Let me prove to you there are two data points na gusto kong ipatunayan bakit hindi ako emotional. Bakit ako naiinis in a data way? Kasi itong market natin, nalilito sila. You've noticed, a lot of them are saying it's recession, it's Fed is pivoting, tapos hindi na naman daw recession, market is priced in naman daw. All the analysts, they are crazy. Sino hindi magiging crazy? Yung Fed nga hindi alam ang gustong gawin, Miranda. And because everyone has all different, okay? Everyone has all different perspective. What's happening is you have a market that's confused. Let me prove to you some data points. Number one, take a look at this. Alam nyo ba, from a Bitcoin perspective, let me actually try to open the big chart right now. Alam nyo ba, Miranda, ito, buksan natin ng medyo malaki ha. Ayan. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at, I'm showing to you my screen, and let me prove to you in a very scientific way. Okay, this is July 29. Okay, July 29, please take a look at Bitcoin volume. Okay? Please take a look at Bitcoin volume. The 24-hour volume nung July 29, Friday last week, the Bitcoin volume was 111 billion. 111 billion. Let's fast forward 30, 31, and 1. Let's fast forward 3 days. 111 billion yung volume. Let's fast forward August 1. August 1, 8:45 UTC, the volume became 71 billion. Produce por santo, saan po napunta yung 40 billion? In 3 days, where? Where did, on a Monday, even if you fast forward today, we're back to around 76, 74 billion, tell me, saan napunta yung volume na yun? Are you telling me seriously? Paano ka naman hindi magiging matatakot niyan? Okay, let me give you some news. Recession. Yellen. Yan, yung dating Treasury Secretary. Diba? Sinong hindi maiinis niyan, Miranda? Sinong hindi maiinis? You know? This is not recession. This is not recession. Tulong-tulong sila si Yellen, si Biden. Tutulong-tulong sila. It's not a recession. Blah, 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 blah. So, anong nangyari? Lumabas yung GDP. Napakaganda ng resulta. Tatlong to nagtutulong-tulong, hindi na recession yan. Okay, that's Bitcoin alone. Again, I'm not being emotional. I'm being data-driven here. Walang volume. So, anong nangyayari ngayon? Nafi-fake out kayo. Am I correct? Hindi yung maakit yung breakouts kasi wala kang volume. 40 billion yung nawala kay Bitcoin. Ang nangyari? What happened? Let's go now to altcoins. Let's go to altcoins. Hindi lang kay Bitcoin. Let's now go to altcoins, okay? Here. Excluding Bitcoin, we came from July 29 of 70 billion, no? Let me try to open that. Yan. Nung around July 29, yan, give or take around 70 billion dollars for everything in crypto except for Bitcoin. So except Bitcoin, all the altcoins alone, $70 billion. $70 billion. Nung Friday. Pagtungtong today, we're down to $48 billion. So from 70 billion minus 48 billion, 22 billion. Saan napunta yun? In 3 days. Di ba nga? Nakikita nyo naman yung cryptocurrency market nahihilong-talilong na. Di ba? Nakita nyo yung mga analysts, iba-iba yung sinasabi. So we have the most confused market right now. So kung tinatanong nyo ako, ano ba yung magiging guidance ko sa inyo, I'll be very honest with you. Sinabi ko sa inyo ng mga nakakarang araw kasi before tayo mag-usap ng members, so nung Sunday, sabi ko, di ba, dalawang price points, 25 and 19. Kailangan either may basag niya yung dalawang yun. Hindi tumungtong ng 25, hindi nag-confirm, pumasag pababa at nawalan pa ng volume. Naturally, kapag nawalan ka ng volume, you cannot expect the price to go high, Miranda. No volume, no life. No volume, no life. Yung mga magagaling na analyst, di nga alam, di ba, halo-halo sila, pivoting na daw, mark price in na daw, recession na daw. Hindi pa daw recession. Pinagulo pa tayo lalo ng tatlong dapat nagsasabi, no, teka lang, ito talaga. Di naman wala naniniwala sa kanila. Not everyone is believing them. Remember, the market, kung sila nagsabi na hindi recession, di sana bumagsak na tayo ng 17. Bakit tayo ngayon tumitenga sa 23, 22? Dapat nasa 20 na tayo. Yung mga nakakaraang candle, ganyan kahahaba yung candle, ang hahaba ng candle. At some point, there were days that the candle can go down from 24 to 20, 24 to 21. Bakit umaakit pa't lumalaban? Diba? Huwag naman po sanang basagin ng price. No? I don't want to jinx the price. Sana mag-hold pa din. But there's no volume. Ano nangyari sa volume? People are confused. Nag-aantay wait and see moment. To be honest with you guys, mas mabuti pa nasa Pilipinas tayo ngayon. Ang ganda-ganda ng Pilipinas. Sobra. And siguro naging very analytical na rin tayo, no? Minsan may inis kayo, ano ba nangyari sa gobyerno ng US? Diba? Wala na naniniwala sa kanila. Iba-iba yung sinasabi ng analyst. Pinilay ko naman sa inyo lahat, nakasummarize na yun. Ito na nga. So let's move on with that, no? Let's move. Hinahanap ko yung 40 billion na wala 40 billion in Bitcoin and almost 22 billion for altcoins. Where did it all go? Apparently, they're all wait and see. Monday is a wait and see moment. Wala tayong catalyst. We're all looking for a major catalyst. And the major catalyst right now is pinapatay pa ng Fed. Bakit? Sabi ko nga sa inyo they will not declare victory against recession. Sabihin nila, hindi pa tayo recession, huy. May politikang nangyayari. November, mid-year, election na sa states. Anyways, next. Ito na nga, pakita ko sa inyo. All indicators are bull. In fact, may mga nagsi-celebrate na. Ito guys, I'll be honest with you, hindi ko lang piniplay dito ha. Ang dami nagsasabi, we need to accumulate already. Let me show to you some data. Inversion. Let me go first with DXY. Look Look at DXY. Look at the dollar index. It's actually going down. Index is going down. Diba? Remember, Philippines peso cannot hold at 56. Philippines peso cannot hold at 56 pesos. Remember that, ha? It cannot hold to 56. Currently, it's 50. Imagine, see, 55.55 na. Sinabi ko sa inyo, hindi na mag-hit ng 60 yan. Bakit? Ang tapang natin sa Pilipinas, sige, Jokno said, we're gonna, not Jokno, Medalya. Okay, we're gonna be raising 75 basis points on a Monday. Diba? Because your DXY is going down, wag na kayo mag-expect ng 60 pesos na, sorry OFWs ha, please don't expect for a 60 pesos to $1. Kasi nga, DXY is going down. And the Fed, the central banks right now are fighting this. Why? Diba? European Central Bank raised their interest rates. German Central Bank raised their interest rates. Diba? The euro is fighting this. Kasi bumaba na nga yung euro at some point versus dollar. Madidevalue yung money nila. They're all fighting this. Diba? So which means, pag bumababa yung strength of dollar, for those companies na malalaki, magsiselebrate sila because they're going to yung mga companies na malalaki, mas mabibili na ng mga Chinese, Japanese, Korean, yung mga US stocks kasi mas lumiliit na yung palitan, Miranda. Okay, isa pa lang yan ha. Okay, number 2, ano pa yung signs natin? US oil. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at US oil. Take a look at this. Yung US oil, bumaba na po ng 25% since June. June, bumaba na ng 25%. So for the month of July, ito napakagandang news nito ha. From July 1, kunin ko lang ng July 1 ito. This is gonna be, kaya nga ang daming bullish ngayon eh. From July 1, yan, 17% ang binaba ng presyo ng krudo. Miranda, sa Pilipinas, ilan ang binagsak ng krudo ngayon? Di ba tuwan-tuwa yung mga driver? Meron na pong 69 pesos ngayon. Salamat po. Meron na pong 69 pesos ngayon. May 69 pesos na ngayon. So, the US oil is actually on a downward trend. Commodities are on a downward trend. So, ibig sabihin, ito na, makinig kayo. Mamaya, nasa green to. I'll discuss it with you. Tandaan nyo ha, sulat nyo to. Oil went down 17%. DXY, or the strength of the dollar, went down to almost, kunin ko lang ito ha, this is a very, very good news. 3.87%. DXY. Okay? Let's now go to Nasdaq. Nakikita nyo si Nasdaq, hindi bumibigay. Nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo to? Hindi siya bumibigay, Miranda. Nasdaq is fighting up at the 12,900 territory. VXN, your volatility index for Nasdaq is actually on a downward slope. Coming from, let me just get the price range. Coming from a, let's open July 1st. Ayan, July 1st, ito. Went down to almost 31% volatility drop. Which means yung volatility, yung galaw ng merkado, hindi ganun pumapalo ng 4%, ng 3%. Within the 1 percentage point lang siya gumagalaw. So what does that mean? The market is on a wait and see. Market is on a wait and see. So balik tayo doon sa aking summary kanina. So, ang nangyari, yung kulay, yung dalawang pula, tinakot niya yung mga weak hands. Nagsipagbentahan, walang bumibili. Nagbibenta lang, di ba? Bumaba talaga yung price ng Bitcoin. Kasi kung ako nga naman, if I'm handing 100 billion Bitcoin today, biglang bumisita si Ninang Pelosi kay Taiwan, paano kung may mangyari dyan? Kawawa yung Bitcoin ko. Hindi ako nagbibiro guys, malaking issue to. Malaking issue yan. Huwag nating maliitin ang pagbisita ng US. The third highest ranking political person in the US visiting Taiwan. For what? For what? Diba? Next. Ito na. So you have all indicators are blue. Ito na. Ito yung pinaka-iniintay ko. Maghanda kayo ng malaking pera dito. Let's all wait on, ano bang meron on July 22 CPI. Mag-antay tayo. Miranda. Ito na po. Sarap po nito. Ini-expect natin that the headline CPI will be down. If the oil went down 17%, everyone, not just me, everyone is expecting for the inflation numbers to go down. Right? 17% ang binaba ng presyo ng oil. And if you remember, nung binasag po natin yung iba't ibang aspeto ng CPI nung July 13, isa sa mga pinakamalaking driver po niya, nagbabaan na po lahat, commodities, except oil. Except oil. Yung unang kalahati, June 1 to June 17, pumalo. Imagine, balik tayo dun kay oil. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan? Ayan, no? July 15, $123. Tumuktok ulit. Tumuktok the first half of the month of June, tumuktok ng 123. Ito pababa na lang po yung July. So I'm expecting a headline CPI lower. When I say headline CPI, it does not include volatility. It doesn't include food and energy because those are the most two volatile metrics in inflation. I'm expecting it to go even lower because all commodities are going down. And as a matter of fact, ang dami pong analysts sa Pilipinas ngayon, they're becoming very bullish on PSEI. Take a look at this. Take a look at your PSEI. PSEI is a bit bullish, guys. Kahit nagwala si Meralco and JGS, di ba? Nag-overnight selling si JGS ng Meralco shares. Bumagsak eh. Because of them. But overall, look at the Philippines PSEI. Oh, it's going to retest already in 64,000 territory. Bakit merong ganyang momentum ang Philippines market? Because the Philippines believe that bukod sa magandang 8-point agenda ng Finance Minister ng Pilipinas, they're believing that price in na to at yung market ready na for a good news on August 10. So maganda na kayo ng pera. August 10. Lalabas na naman yung CPI, yung pinaghahandaan natin lahat. Di ba? So August 10. Ayan, may sabi ni Snitch, just in, Taiwan welcomes Pelosi is about to land in Taiwan. Naku, sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, bantayan natin to. Hindi ako nagbibiro. I'm not a political analyst. I'm not even, I'm not good in politics. What I'm just trying to say is based on the Bitcoin risk-off scenario, pag hawak mo ngayon 100 million Bitcoin, sinong hindi matatakot? Diba? Sinong hindi matatakot? Paano kung mangyari yan? Huwag naman po sana. What if it happens? You're trying to pick a fight. You're trying to pick a fights. Imagine mo nananahimik yung ibang bansa at pupunta. Seriously guys, can someone tell me, if you're listening right now, if you're a political analyst, can you tell me what's the reason why this lady is going there? Wag naman po sana. Wag naman po talaga sana. No? So anyways, August 10, CPI. Mukhang maganda ang report. Maganda. Antayin natin. And then yung FOMC September na magkikita yan. Wala pa silang August pronouncements. So ito lang iintayin natin. Of course, yung jobs report, employment numbers, payroll, farm payroll, productivity, lalabas naman po lahat yan on after all of this. Pero anyways, let's try to look at that news. Hindi ko kasi maintindihan. So, seryoso, hindi ko maintindihan talaga to. Ayan, look at that news. Seriously, guys. Seriously. Hindi ako nananakot Hindi ko maintindihan. So, kung meron kang hawak na malaking Bitcoin, hindi ko matatakot dyan. What's the purpose? US Navy deploys 4 warship east of Taiwan. Hello? Yung gray na, sinasabi kong bangka kanina, yung gray. Ayan Nakita nyo? WSJ. Pag ganyan ang balita mo, siyempre yung market mo, pupula yan. It means, to be honest, I really don't, alam mo yun, we're not a politician, but sana nauunawaan nyo kapag medyo, alam mo yun, napipikon ka minsan na hindi mo maintindihan yung galaw nila, manahimik na lang kayo sa bansa nyo. Manahimik kayo sa bansa nyo, inaano ba namin kayo dito? I don't want to sound like a dirty politician here, but again, I'm explaining to you, Miranda, that most likely the market will open red. I think the market opened red already. Let me double check Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq will open red. Pag ganyan ang headline mo, hello, let me double check. And red nga. Red ang Nasdaq. Oh. Anong problema, di ba? So, I'm telling you in front of your eyes. In front of your eyes. Diba? Of course, in front of your eyes, I will tell you that if there's gonna be redness in the market, Bitcoin can follow, guys. Bitcoin will follow. Volatility, doji. So pag ganyan ang market, minsan may isip, di ba? Isipin mo, ano ba nangyayari sa mga taong ito? Ganyan mga balita mo. And this is in Asia, ladies and gentlemen. This is not in Europe. So, yan. May nagsabi it's on the production of chips. Wait, totoo naman. Totoo naman. But again, ayan na, Chinese warplanes. US Navy. Ang lapit sa Pilipinas. Naku, wag naman po sana. Anyways, let's move on with the topic today. So, yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kaya, I itemize it as a red. I'm the simple educator here. And I'm telling you what's driving the market. Nothing is driving the market. There's no volume. We lost 40 billion liquidity. So kung anong gagawin natin? Magpapakabida tayo? As a trader, magkapasok tayo ng pera ngayon? I want to ask that question to you Diba? So yan. All indicators are indicating bull except itong tatlong ito, tsaka yung si Pelosi sa Taiwan, except that. And then, CPI, pag maganda yung CPI, pwedeng magbago yung mindset ng market. And ano yung yellow? Ay, ito ba? Central banks, lumiliit yung USD strength. Pinakahuli, walang volume. Kaya yellow yan. Yellow, walang volume. Diba? So yan ang gusto kong sabihin today. Kahit anong sabihin kong mag-bull run, kung nawalan ka ng 40 billion sa liquidity mo, 40 billion in Bitcoin and 22 billion in altcoins, someone tell me, saan mo kukunin yung pang-bull run mo? 40 billion in BTC and 22 billion in altcoins. We just lost that volatility. We lost that liquidity. So, saan ko kukunin yung bull run? Wait and see. Wait and see tayo, Miranda. So ulitin ko, wait and see tayo. I-hold nyo yung malalaking pera. Antay tayo ng malaking pera on August 10. Mag-trade muna tayo. Intraday and scalp muna tayo. No? And wag naman kayo magpapakabida-bida ng shorting kasi this market can still fight. Okay? You will not, unless you break down on a major support, I'm going to show it to you, this market can still fight. Diba? So let's move on. Another thing that can drive is the Mount Gox or GOX, almost end of August. Actually, dapat negative. Actually, I made it as a yellow. Listen carefully, I did not put it as red. Si Mount Gox, they're going to provide people that were hacked around 2014, 15, 16. Na-hack yung Bitcoin nila, nawala. We're going to compensate it to you again. Ang price ng 2014 is less than $5,000. O, magkano na ngayon? Almost 500x, di ba? Almost 5x of their original investment. So if you invested almost 1 million, let's say $100,000, makukuha mo almost $500,000 by this time. So iniisip natin, why is it yellow? It's because in my opinion, 50% can be converted to cash and 50% can be held by the market. So technically, yellowish to reddish si Mount Gox. So grabe guys, no? Ano magagawa natin? Hindi naman tayo, we cannot give them $100 billion. Kahit buong Pilipinas, di kaya i-provide yan. It's the entire global perspective today. So, and I hope ka, Miranda, naunawaan mo yung sinasabi ko, no? Because, I've been trying to figure out kung ako ba ay outlier lang. Hindi eh. Nakita mo kanina, ang dami nagsasalita, di ba? Iba-iba. Fed is pivoting, Fed is not pivoting, market is priced in, it's recession, it's not yet recession. It's crazy day. Crazy week, crazy month. No? So, ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo, kung malakas ang loob nyo, then you do your DCA. Diba? Kung may pera naman kayo, do your DCA. When everyone is fearful, bumili kayo, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. The best thing to buy is when everyone is fearful, sabi nga nila. Magantay kayo, baka mag-double down pa kayo. Antayin na lang kayo ng isa pa. Wait kayo this week, baka, naku, wag naman po sana. Naku, wag naman po talaga sana. Seryoso ako ang lapit ng Pilipinas sa Taiwan, guys. I'm sure even Philippine stock market bukas, if ever. Mga tao niyan, imagine, ang lapit-lapit niyan. So this red is a big topic. Antayin po natin yan, Miranda. Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo? Comment down below. Do you think, this market, ano pa tingin mo sa market na to? Sure, your comments. Babasahin ko maya-maya yan. What do you think of this market? Walang volume. Saan napunta 40 billion? Sabi ko, when I was looking at it kanina, sabi ko talaga, totoo nga talaga. Ang mga big pronouncements ng market, it's really the Fed that drives volatility and liquidity. Totoo yun. Sabi ni Stanley, Druckenmiller, sabi niya, yung mga quotes niya, sabi ng isang sikat na hedge fund manager, totoo to sabi niya dito, earnings, sabi ni Sandy Druckenmiller, earnings don't move the market, it's the Federal Reserve Board. Tama siya eh. Earnings don't move the overall market. It's the Fed Reserve Board. Liquidity is driven by Fed. Mawawala yung 40 billion mo kung itong pasaway mo si Fed, sinasabi niyo, hindi pa tayo recession. Totoo yung sinasabi niya eh. Totoo yung sinasabi niya. It's the Fed that drives it. Kahit anong sabihin ng analyst dyan, kung si Fed sabi niya, hindi pa tayo recession. So, yung mga tao, wait and see, mawawala yung sabihin ng mga whales, okay, teka lang it looks like the Fed is not certain with their decisions. I would rather remove my money. Boom. Diba? 40 billion in the Bitcoin market. 22 billion in the altcoin. What have happened? So Miranda, ang payo ko sa inyo, everyone that's almost 1,000 people listening to me right now, this is me talking. Hindi ako nag-iimbento. You're seeing it on data. I've shown it to you. Walang volume yung market. So ano gagawin natin? Kailangan ko ng catalyst. At hindi ko kailangan ng negative catalyst. Ang kailangan natin dito, positive. Hindi ko kailangan magkaroon ng gulot sa unnecessary area. Kasi every time it happens, you have fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that needs to change. That can drive the market. Liquidity is driven by decisions of Fed. So if Fed says X, everyone goes to X. Now, if Fed is uncertain, they will not provide forward guidance. Remember, I said that we will remove it. So where will the market go? Remove your money. And based in my system, in the beginners Miranda Miner beginner system, if it's a bear market, you do 70% liquid. 70% if you are uncertain, if the market is uncertain, you go 70% liquid. And it looks like the market is doing that now. So tayo mga magagaling, kaya pa rin nating mag-trade. Di ba? Palakpakan sa mga profitable dyan. Ang daming profitable sa Discord, nakikita ko, ang gagaling nyo. Di ba? Ang gagaling nyo eh. So let me show it to you a little bit here. Just give me a second. Here. Ibigyan ko lang kayo ng konting highlight nung pinapakita ko sa beginner class. Ayan, no? What did I say? If it's a bear market, you only put 30% exposure. Kasi wala nga volume eh. Pinakita ko lang konti, wag magselo sa mga estudyante natin because I teach this sa university. So kung walang volume, wag kang bida-bida. Diba? Tago mo yung pera mo. Tulad ng ginagawa ng maraming tao. Ngayon, kung magaling ka na, doon ka na tumaya. Maghanap ka ng mga ganito. Pakita ko sa iyo yung trade ko kanina. Pero isang beses lang ako nag-trade kasi nga wala akong panahon. Ang dami kong talagang 4 meetings ko today. So, 4. Ito, you put your positions, ayan, on the correction line, meron kang resistance, diba? On the correction line, you have a confirmation here. Then short the market. O take profit kasi aakyat na siya, ulit. Sorry. Take profit, aakyat na siya. Then close mo na. O tapos. Then antay ka naman panibagong trade tomorrow. Diba? This is a 6,000 peso trade. We did not do scalp because we're a bit busy. Alis ka na ulit sa market. Balikan na lang pagtapos na. Diba? Nakakatakot tong market na to. Kasi nga, ang bias pababa, pero lumalaban. So, hindi ka pwedeng magbigay todo agad ng shorting. Baka maipit ka, baka mag-short squeeze ka. Kailangan labas agad. Miranda. So, what am I trying to say here? What is the summary of my topic for today? What is the summary of all of this? In my humble perspective, Miranda, the data is showing that there's no volume for both Bitcoin and altcoins. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka nakikita. My message is, we need to plan our portfolio very well. Hindi ka pwedeng pasok na pasok, ubusin yung pera mo. Huwag pong ganun. Mag-antay ka ng pera para sa August 10. Number two, marami tayong fear and uncertainty ngayon with Pelosi going to Taiwan. The market is going to react to that. The problem with a market na walang volume, fake out. Fake out. Nanonotice mo yan. If there's no volume, the market can just fake you out. Imaginein mo, out of 100 pesos, nawala dun yung 40 pesos. 60 pesos na lang yung pera sa market. Lahat kayo magsasama-sama sa 60. Nawala yung 40. So walang magmo-move. Magmo-move kulang ng 1/3. Give or take. Nawala yung 1/3 ng market. Magmo-move yan, mafi-fake out ka. Walang tutulong para umakyat. Unlike last week, ang gaganda ng movements, talagang breakout kung breakout. Am I correct, guys? Di ba? Pag nag-breakout kung breakout talaga siya, breakdown kung breakdown, akyat kung akyat. Ang sarap mag-trade. Because there's 111 billion volume. And by the way, Miranda, the 111 billion is the similar, no? Kasi naka 1 trillion market cap na tayo. Sa mga traders pa last year, nakatandaan nyo to, we're seeing an average of 100 billion a day during the bull market. Araw-araw yan nun. Balik tayo sa ano. Okay. Ayan o. Tingnan natin to. Ayan o. Noong June 3, let's go here. Ayan. Paakit na yung market around August 8 of last year. 120 billion, around that number. Paakit yung market niyan. Paakit ng paakit ng paakit ng paakyat. That's the regular, ayun yung paakit ng paakit na volume mo. That's the regular volume that we're actually seeing, Miranda. Ayun, paakit oh. Look at that. Paakit ng paakit yung volume 81, 77, 93, 123. Paakit ng paakit yung market cap. Because the volume keeps on going higher. In September was the start of the bull run last year. So, if there's volume, masarap mag-trade. Eh, saan ka pupulutin sa 76 billion na volume? Halos kalahati na wala, di ba? So, that's what I'm trying to say, no, Miranda. You know, we teach that in the university. If we are a strategic investor and we are a value investor, okay, we're not just a trader, mag-aantay ako eh. Either ways, I'll start accumulating when everyone else is fearful. Diba? But I know this can still go down. But there's also a possibility that this can go up depending on what will happen to the political scenario. Ang problema ngayon, the economy is improving. Ito mga politiko na magpapalala eh. Diba? Inversion, recession, low oil, low commodity prices. CPI is gonna be down. Everything is actually indicating a bull run. Bakit ang pangit? Ba't walang volume? Because the politicians are creating news and issues. So, and sinabi ko dun sa mga mentors, kanina nga nagsalita ako dun sa charting ni Kuya Justin. Mentors, alam nila to. You know, if there's no volume, we can't expect a good breakout. Yung lumilipad ng 618. Sinong gustong-gusto dito last week na humahataw pa ng 618 yung breakout? Di ba ang sarap? Type number 1 kung nag-agree ka. Di ba ang sarap ng breakout? Umaabot ng 618? Lumalaktaw, nag-extended move pa nga. Wala tayo nyan. Ayan o, nakikita mo yan? Nakikita mo to? Ito yung sinasabi kong volume, yung July 27 hanggang 29. Ito yung sinasabi kong 110 billion eh. This one, no? July 26 to 31, 111 billion. Yun yung mga extended moves. Ito, tipid move to. Tipid move. Anong volume? Yung pangit ng candles. Diba? Tipid moves. Wala nga volume eh. Ito, look at this. Ang ganda ng move. Eh, nakapasayaw ka talaga dyan lang. Talagang patakpakan yung mga tao eh. Kasi ang grabe humataw. Ang sarap mag-trade last week. Ang ganda ng market eh. Anong ginawa ng gobyerno? Wala pang recession. I'm going to Taiwan. I'm going to get naiinis na yung China. I'm going to get some microchips, blah, 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 blah. What's happening to the market? Market is becoming indecisive. Take a look at this, camera. The past 2 hours of Bitcoin. Doji. Ayan o. Saan ka nakakita ng ganyang market? Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Masarap mo mag-trade ng ganyan? Diba? Tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo yun last week. Take a look at that market. Boom. Yan ang masarap mag-trade. Boom. Ayan o. Boom. Sarap. Boom. Diba? Yan ang masarap mag-trade. Boom. Oh. Ayan ang masarap mag-trade. There's volume. 111 billion for Bitcoin. Diba? Ito volume na to. Miranda. Para mga pumandak yung mga volume natin, mga puro midget, diba? Kumpara sa mga katabi niya, sasarap dyan, boom, lalaki, Ito mga midget, mga gabilinggit, Why? Because there's no volume and the market is waiting for Pelosi, Biden, Yellen, and Powell. Diba? Yun, sa market. The market is not moving. Liliit, nakikita mo yung gabilanggit na candle. Diba mga bulilit candle sa kanan? Katabi niya laki, Diba? Mga bulilit. Ito mga lalaki. Because there's volume, diba? O sana, kailangan natin ng ganyan. Ayoko naman ng malalaking ganyan na pababa. Kawawa naman tayo lahat, diba? Diba? Ito, sabi nga ng mga traders, mosquito division. This is exactly where my job is. My job is to interpret to you in a good and easy to understand manner what's happening with this market, Kamiran. That's my job. Trabaho ko to mag-research, mag-interpret sa inyo para hindi kayo nahihilo na, bakit ang tagal umakyat, coach? Ayun nga yung data di ba? 40 billion na wala. Kaya ganyan ang candles mo, ganyan ang kaliliit. Ngayon, ito iniisip natin. Subukan natin, imaginein natin. Ngayon pa lang, imaginein natin, walang Pelosi in Taiwan. Walang ganitong mga headline. Walang ganyang mga headline ngayon. Imaginein natin. Walang ganyang headline ngayon. Okay? Imaginein natin yan. Imaginein din natin na walang nangingialam na market recession na daw. Imaginein mo lang. Diba? Imaginein natin na walang nangingialam. Ayan, pati si Europe pula na. Pulahan lahat. Ha? Isipin natin yun. Tapos isipin natin na wala nangingialam na hindi nagsasabing we are really in recession now. Ayan. Isipin natin yun. Hindi ang ganda ng market ngayon. Wala nangingialam eh. And to be honest with you, last year, bull run na tayo. August was already flying. Diba? Sell in May and go away. Buy in September and we all prosper. Ganun po yung nangyari last year. Thank you. Mag-1,000 viewers na tayo today. Thank you. Kailangan pala ang show ko puro mga marites, no? Para dumami nakikinig sa atin. Diba, Miranda? You know, we all need to learn from this. No, and become as a valued investor. Gusto ko gayahin natin yung mga taong 40 billion na matatalino. Na kung bababa man ito, I'm waiting for to be honest with you, I'm waiting for a 22,226. Yung itong 618, I'm waiting for this 618, I'm waiting for this honestly. Sa tingin po natin, because there's no volume, walang kwenta yung breakout. Ano mangyari sa breakout ngayon? Look at this, guys. Take a look at the breakouts. Take a look. Walang kwenta, di ba? Nakita niyo yan? Paano hindi magkakawalang kwenta yan? Wala mong volume. No, tamo. No, di ba? sinopla ka dito. Ito yung member reminders ko kanina. Bumaba, nag-take profit na ako dyan, nag-profit na ako. Nag-breakout, wala. Don't enter a breakout today. Wala kang volume, guys. Do not. Even take a look at your volume. It's not even breaking out on your MA50 here. Sorry, it's not breaking out here, so there's no buying volume. So why am I going to buy Bitcoin if I'm a trader? I will not. I will not. I'm going to wait for the bounce here because there's no apparent volume, unlike here. Come here, look at this one. How beautiful is this? How beautiful is that? And if you take a look at Miranda, take a look at this candle. Take a look. Ayan, no? Napakasarap naman yan. Take a look at this green buying volume. This pumped the price. Take a look at the candle. Boom, umakyat to. That's what we're looking for. This can break out. Pero yung ganito, yung ganitong candle, this is not going to bring you anywhere. Huwag tayo magbida-bida today. So, huwag tayo magbita-bita today. Take a look at that. Ang ganda ng buying crayon. So, diba? Mukha na siyang fish. Okay. Pinapatawa ko lang kayo, guys. Kailangan po tawanin ko kayo eh. So, yun ang ating opinion today, guys. Yeah, that's our opinion today. Naging whale, no? Naging fish. So, don't expect for a massive bull run because there's no apparent volume. Crayons and the entire cryptocurrency volume. Okay? That's my guidance for all of you. And if you zoom out of Bitcoin, ang pwede pang mangyari dyan, Miranda, wag naman po sana, no? Kasi wala kang volume, walang conviction yung market. Ang potential na pwedeng mangyari dito, removing all the Fibonacci's, the potential can be this. Nagets ninyo, Miranda? This is the potential of the market. Diba? It's the potential of the market. It can actually go down. Walang volume eh. So magkano yan? 21. Strong support. Diba? Let's take a look. 21K, strong support. Okay, let's go to 382. 382. 0.5. We'll go here. 0.5 here. And then here, pwedeng bumaba dito. Let's get the 618 area here. So 21,339 can be your strong support. So it's possible, Miranda. Posible po yan. That's a possibility because at the end of the day, you know, everyone is looking for a catalyst and there's no catalyst. Wag naman po sanang negative catalyst. Okay? Wag naman po sanang negative catalyst. Can you please type number 1 kung nauunawaan po ninyo? At sana po ay itulong ako sa inyo kung ma-explain ko ng maayos kung bakit hindi po gumagalaw ang market ngayon. At kinumpara ko po sa inyo face-to-face ng dalawang kandila, mukhang mga midget division po yung kandila today. Niliit, di ba? I hope you've all learned today, guys. Okay? And that's my job to interpret the big market sa inyo. So again, as I've said, for today, ang aking guidance, I'm waiting for a good 0.618 bounce. I'm not going to trade this market right now. Unang-una, medyo hot topic po ngayon ang bisita ni Pelosi in Taiwan. That can drive the markets, Kamiran. That can drive the markets. Hindi ako nagbibiro. This can drive unnecessary news that can drive the market. That can drive the market. European market is actually on a mixed bag as well. Asia is on a mixed bag. You know, Shanghai bagsak 2.26%. No? So, you know, if I were you, I will only scalp this market. I will not stay in this market. Okay? If you are a shorter, or if you are a short-term trader, you love shorting, then go ahead and indulge yourself. But make sure wag ka rin masyadong bida kasi the market can always invalidate your short. Tandaan mo lagi, there's always a possibility of a coin to go higher. 66% of the time, the bias of the market is to push the price higher than to short. So lagi kang may konting talo if you're shorting the market. At tandaan mo yan, ha? So that's the reality. Okay. Now, ayan, another one, no? May balita pang ganito, yan, no? Bitcoin slump as Pelosi's Taiwan trip weakens risk sentiment. O, di ba? Hindi na ako nagsabi. May nagsabi ng balita. Di ba? Another one. So, look for the headlines today. Ayan, no? Janet Yellen sees no recession. Wala naman pakialam yung CoinDesk sa mga ganyang political. Meron silang pakialam in the political views. Pero bakit parehas na ng sinasabi sa show natin, di ba? Di ba? Ba't parehas na tayo ng sinasabi? Even Bloomberg, Miranda. Even Bloomberg is saying the same thing. If you will notice, pare-parehas na po kami ng sinasabi even on my show. You know, if you open Bloomberg, you know, di ba? Will Fed do the pivot? So pare-parehas na kami sinasabi. Ang kagandahan natin, ini-explain ko sa inyo ng Tagalog. Para hindi na kayo manood ng kung ano ng mga English dyan ang hirap maunawain, di ba? So anyways, that's a good summary of my show for today. Gusto ko malaman ninyo that the market is not moving simply because of the lack of volume. Around 40% of the volume went out of the market because ang daming mga political uncertainties as of today. Mas marami pa rin green drivers. Maganda ng pera on August 10. You know, I'm expecting the market can still give me a small rally. Either way, pag lumala ang political issue dyan in Taiwan, get ready. Make sure you don't have much of your money plugged in. Ang isang value investor, pag may malaking potential risk, parang yun nangyari kay guys. Remember, alala ninyo, no one saw this coming. The Ukraine and the Russia issue, no one saw that coming. Tingnan mo nangyari. Bagsakan lahat. Biglang nag-declare to si Russia. Di ba nag-uusap pa tayo nun? Bitcoin can be legalized in Russia. Oh, ano nangyari overnight? Oh, we're gonna be blah 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 blah. Oh, nagkagulo yung market, nagbitawan lahat, nagpulasan lahat. Kawawa yung mga nakahandle ng malalaking posisyon, talo. Talo. Remember, meron tayong listahan ng mga ito guys, let me just check. Hedge firms double down. Ayan. Let me check. Hindi ito yun eh. This was a headline around March or April of this year. Double down year to date. Hanapin ko yun, no? Pero ang daming natalo. Ito. This one. Ayan. 'Di ba? May mga nag-hold ng pera, kahit malalaking hedge fund companies hindi sila immune on losses, Miranda, ha? Remember nung pumalo yung inflation ng April to almost highest in 40 years, there was a massive May sell-off. May mga naiwan dyan na naka-hold ng malaking pera, 50% loss. 50% loss sila. Kasi they doubled down. They doubled down. Ibig sabihin, they bought on the dip. But the price went down even further. So they doubled down. So hindi kayo nag-iisa, hindi tayo nag-iisa. When the market is down, kasi sinasabi natin, when there's a potential risk, lighten off some positions. Lighten off some positions. Okay? Marami pa yan, guys. Ang dami pa yan. They were already on a massive, naipit sila. Ipit. Hedge fund. Ito, hindi to retailer, ha? Hedge fund. Okay? So yun, sana maintindihan niyo. That's my message for today, no? Ang daming negative. Kung maglalagay man kayo ng brave money, make sure you can sleep on this money. You can sleep on this money and you can have a good night's sleep, Miranda. Okay? And I'm thinking when the Philippines market open tomorrow, this can have an effect. Especially this is just in Taiwan. Okay? So sana nakatulong at sana naging effective ang aking report sa inyo because I'm putting some data behind our show for today. Okay? So siguro ang sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo, I'm not gonna be charting the coins because si Kuya Justin nag-chart na naman kanina. I-upload ko yung technical charting niya sa live sa YouTube natin para makita nyo rin. But for the most part, Miranda, I don't think, let's not expect too much for today. There's a developing story, no, on the Ukraine tuloy, this Taiwan issue. And ayan, sabi ni Raffle, busog-lusog sa chismisan. Busog-lusog sa chismisan, diba? Diba? Parang gusto ng mga tao marites dito eh. Hindi, pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, ito guys ito. Okay lang pag-usapan ng mga chismis. Kasi alam mo ba, meron tayong isang kasabihan ganito. Okay? Listen to this Meron tayong kasabihan na ganito. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So okay lang makipag-marites dito. Diba? Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Sino nga marami pang marites, sila pang yumayaman talaga. Because you know why? You know why, Miranda? Ito, tatandaan nyo to guys Politically, okay, sa mga tao alam to, no? Ayan. Politically, information is power. Information is power. In a political scenario, tatandaan nyo to in a political scenario, if you hold information, you're powerful. Diba? Uy, sabihin mo naman sa akin, ano bang sinabi? Pag hindi ka part ng inner circle, hindi ka powerful. You need to remember that. Information is power. And that's what I'm giving you right now. That's what I'm giving you for free, Miranda. People will pay for information. People will pay for information. If you have knowledge, sabi nga ni Ernie Baron, di ba? Sinasabi niya lagi, knowledge is power. Totoo yun. Totoo yun. Politically, information is power. Even on kaya nga, di ba, Miranda? Insider trading, di ba? Internal knowledge, naging batas po yan. Because in trading, information is power. Be it a rumor, be it a news, mas maganda may alam ka. Mas maganda may alam ka. Kasi kung may alam kang paparating na info, hindi alam na lahat, o ikaw unang yayaman. O kunyari, for example, on December, yung Starlink, di ba? Maghahanap ka na ng mga kumpanya na may kinalaman kay Starlink sa PSEI, di ba? Pag mag-launch yan, alam mo na mangyayari. Oh. Di ba? Ganun lang naman ang labanan dito. Knowledge is power. Oh. Why are you all here? You want to learn new information. So okay lang yan kahit chismis, rumor, kasi people buy information. Okay? So, Okay. Anyways, I'm just reading some comments here, no? Let's now do a raffle. Sino gusto ng 1,000 pesos ngayon, di ba? Sino gusto ng 1,000 pesos today? Woohoo! Ready na ba kayo sa 1,000 pesos? Patugtog lang ako ng konting music. Ready na ba kayo? Only one will win 1,000 pesos today. Pamimigay natin yung profit natin kanina. Nanalo ako 6,000 pero syempre pinangkape ko na yung 5,000, pinanggas ko pa papunta ng office ha. So 1,000 sa iyo. Grabe 1,033 comments na, grabe naman kayo. Oy, hello. Nagkakagulo na po ngayon sa comment section. Sino kaya ang mananalo today? Nagwawala na ang chatroom. Ano bang gagawin natin dyan, Justin? Okay, wag po kayo mag-comment dito. Doon po kayo mag-comment doon sa nakapangalan na link po dyan, ha? Ang tanong, kayo ba ay BingX referral na? Mag-download na kayo kasi doon ko i-credit yan. If you guys win today, please, tatlong information kailangan ko. BingX user ID, yung QR code ng TRC20 USDT deposit. Yun po ang kailangan natin. Ulitin ko ha, i-email nyo po sa akin yung inyong user ID ng BingX. Number 2, yung TRC20 QR code ng USDT para ma-deposit natin ang inyong tumataginting no 1,000 pesos, 'di ba? 1,000 pesos. Ready na! Bukas mag-charting tayo, Miranda. Bukas mag-charting tayo. Promise ko sa inyo yan. Bakit nyo inaasar si Andre? Kayo talaga ha? Sabi ni JL, tumabi kayo, ako na. Alright, let's do this. Miranda, sino kayang mananalo ng 1,000? Parang ako yung excited na din. Parang excited na rin tayo, di ba? Ready, 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 ready. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Nagugutom na rin ako, I need to raffle this already. Okay, before ako mag-raffle, I just wanted to say maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa inyong pagtitiwala, pagmamahal, at sa lahat-lahat po ng binigay niyong tulong sa ating Global Miranda Miner Group. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo at pagpasensyahan nyo na po if I'm not always online for the past couple of days because meron po tayong nilulutong napakagandang news na i-announce ko soon kung ito ay hinog na. Nako, malapit na po yan. Before the end of August, I'm going to announce a very special news para po sa ating buong Miranda community. Lalo po tayong lalaki. We're gonna be even bigger, maybe times 10 of our current size today. At utang na loob ko po sa inyong lahat ang atin pong pagiging malaking organization at community na mayroon pong malasakit. So maraming salamat po ulit and God bless all of you, Miranda. Alright, let's now do this. I'm going to click the number start right now. Ito na po. Isa pang hugot. Baka may mga humabol pa dito. Ito na. Isang hugot na lang. Ira-raffle na po natin.
Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jack.
Alright, let's do this. Start now.
My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas.
Itatago ko muna yung pangalan. Silipin natin. Parang kilala ko to. Nako. Parang kilala ko to. Tatago ulit natin. Parang mayaman na to eh. Mayaman ka na daw. Di ba? Si Andre na. Alright, the winner is Matani! Woohoo! Ngayon ko lang napatunayan na sineselebrate na pala ang walang ligo ngayon.
Trees on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got
Grabe naman kayo, wala kayong ligo sa Discord.
gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not
anyways, talagang ito si Patani, sabi niya, hindi daw siya maliligo kung hindi siya nananalo. O di nanalo ka na. Okay, anyways guys, gawin natin araw-araw itong raffle na to ha. Makinig kayo lagi araw-araw sa atin. Pero I hope you're listening not because of our not because of our raffle, but because of our live great well-researched information. Ha? Sana yun po ang reason ba't kayo nakikinig sa atin today. Okay, Jeffrey Paulo, wag kang mang-spam dyan. Sa Discord nyo na ituloy yan, wag sa live. Diyan na kayo sa Discord mag-away, mag-usap-usap. With that said, Miranda Miner, Miranda, maraming salamat. Abangan mo, marami tayong lalabas na great information. By the way, one last final update for today sa mga nagpupumilit pong mag-enroll using our combo package. Magiging available po yan. Antayin po niyo yung date namin. Ang dami po ninyong gusto na mag-enroll. Please wait for that. Lalabas po yung aming announcement very soon para makatipid ka sa iyong enrollment. And of course, abangan po ninyo isang malaking news na lalabas about global Miranda Miner that will help us even grow our community to the highest level. Miranda. So guys, maraming salamat. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe in our video. God bless all of you. And members, maraming salamat also for being lahat ng kulay green na pangalan. Maraming salamat. And I will see you all tomorrow. God bless you guys and have a great evening.
This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Gotta taste.